In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Start Page in Brave browser. First, open your Brave browser so we're looking at a regular window. Up in the top right corner, you'll see the three-line menu icon. Click that to open the main menu. From here, choose Settings. This is where Brave keeps all of the options that shape how your browser looks and behaves. Inside Settings, look for the section called New Tab Page. This controls what you see on your start page. Click Customize New Tab Page to open the panel of appearance and content options. Let's start with background images. Here you can pick the look and feel of your start page by switching backgrounds on or off, choosing from Brave's built-in images, or opting for a clean, plain backdrop. A simple background can load a little faster and reduce visual clutter, while a photo background adds personality. If you ever find an image distracting, just toggle it off. Your choice is saved instantly. Next, you can change the search engine that appears on your start page. Select the provider you prefer so that searches from the address bar on a new tab go exactly where you want. If privacy is a priority, choose an engine known for minimal tracking. If results breadth matters most, pick the one you trust. You can switch this setting anytime, and it takes effect right away. There's also a show clock option. Turn this on if you want the current time displayed prominently on your start page. It's a small touch that's surprisingly handy for quick glances between tasks. If you prefer a minimalist look, leave it off for a cleaner canvas. Finally, you can turn cards on or off. Cards are the informational blocks that can appear on the start page, such as quick access to top sites, Brave stats, or news. Enable the ones you find useful and disable the rest to keep distractions down. This is a great way to tailor the page so it surfaces only what helps you start browsing faster. That's it. By opening the menu, heading into Settings, and customizing the new tab page, you've set up a start page that matches your style and workflow. All changes save automatically, and they'll be reflected the next time you begin a browsing session. If anything looks off, just return to this screen and adjust the toggles or choices until it feels right for you. Thanks for watching and enjoy your refreshed Brave Start page.